Today, we will see how you can professionally design your clinic website through the Cureica Clinics dashboard. First, go to your browser's search bar, type Cureica, and open the official Cureica Clinics website, just as we saw in the previous video. As you can see, we are currently on the official Cureica Clinics website. Now, there are two ways to open the dashboard. The first way, when you create a new account and your payment is successfully completed, you will see a success screen with a button labeled Enter Clinic Dashboard. Click on that button to directly enter your dashboard. The second way, you can also access the dashboard through the Cureica Clinics website. In the navigation bar, you will see Dashboard written there. Click on it, and you will be redirected to the dashboard page. For now, we will access the dashboard through the Cureica Clinics website. So, let's get started. Here, you need to select your state, the same state where your clinic is officially registered and the one you entered during the sign-up process. Open the drop-down list, select your state, and then click on the Continue to Dashboard button. As soon as you click, you will be redirected to the dashboard screen. Once the dashboard screen opens, you will see a Sign In with Google button. Click on it and sign in using the same email address that you used during the sign-up process. As soon as the sign-in is successful, you will see your website's managing dashboard. If your account is fresh or newly created, there are two things you must do immediately after entering the dashboard. First, click on the Save All Changes button. Second, after clicking Save All Changes, refresh your dashboard page once. If your account is new, you must complete these two steps, and you only need to do them once. After that, we will move forward to designing our professional website. Now, first of all, we will go through all the dashboard components one by one. First, you will see a menu icon at the top right corner. As soon as you click on it, a side navigation menu will open. In this menu, you will see your email address, all the dashboard navigation headings, and a Sign Out button. Through these navigation headings, we can easily navigate across the entire dashboard. And until you sign out of the dashboard, you will remain signed in. After closing the navigation menu, in the top section of the dashboard, you will see two important buttons. The first is the View Page button. By clicking on it, you can visit your live clinic page. The second is the Save All Changes button. By clicking on it, you can save all the changes you have made to your page. Finally, at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, you will see a floating icon. When you click on it, Cureica AI will open. Cureica AI helps you fill in your dashboard information in a proper and professional manner. For example, if we need to write a doctor bio, we can ask the AI for assistance, and it will suggest multiple doctor bio options from which we can choose the most suitable one. So now, let's move ahead and build a professional-grade website. First, we will do something important. We will open our live page by clicking on the View Page button. As soon as we click on View Page, our live clinic page opens. And as you can see, our clinic name is already displayed here. Now we will convert this page into a professional-grade website with the help of our dashboard. So let's go back to the dashboard and start designing. As you can see, the first section is the header section. In the clinic name field, our clinic name is already written. Now we just need to enter our clinic's tagline. So enter your clinic tagline, and after that, we will move to the next section, which is the theme section. Here you can see different professional color themes. From these options, you can select the theme of your choice. After selecting the theme, click once on the Save All Changes button, and then visit your live page to observe the changes. As you can see, the theme of our page has now changed, and in the header, both our clinic name and tagline are properly displayed. So let's go back to the dashboard and complete the remaining sections. Now let's move forward to the next section. We are now going to work on the Hero section. The Hero section is essentially the face of your website. When someone opens your website, the very first thing they see is the Hero section. That is why it is extremely important to design this section in a highly professional and impactful way. First, we need to write the Hero tagline and the description. Instead of writing everything manually, we can take the help of Cureica AI to make it more professional and polished. In the search bar, type Hero section. Cureica AI will generate multiple suggestions for you. From those suggestions, choose the most suitable and relevant response for your clinic. Then simply copy and paste the selected content into the tagline and description fields. Once these two fields are completed, the next step is to upload the background image and the hero image. Here you can upload images of your choice. However, make sure that the image size is less than 2 MB. It is strongly recommended to use high quality, clear, and properly enhanced images so that your website looks more professional, attractive, and trustworthy to visitors. As you can see, the image has now been successfully uploaded. With that done, let's move ahead to the next section, the About section. To complete this section as well, we can again take the help with Cureica AI. The About section appears immediately after the Hero section on your website. This is where you can describe your clinic, your medical philosophy, your practice principles, and your overall approach toward patient care. You also have the flexibility to customize this section according to your preferences and style. In this section, we need to properly set up the About content, upload an image, and add your practice principles. As you can see, we are carefully setting up all these elements step by step. Once both the Hero section and the About section are completed, we will move ahead to the next section and continue building our professional website. Now we move on to the next section, which is the doctor profile section. This section is a very important part of your website because it is here that patients get to know you in detail. That is why we need to fill this section with clarity, professionalism, and authenticity. In this, we will prepare the complete profile of the doctor, such as doctor name, professional title, bio, qualifications, specializations, certifications, experience, and all other important details related to the doctor. So let's start step by step. First, we fill in the section title and section description. This is the text that appears above the section, so it should be impactful and trust-building. For this, you can take the help of Cureica AI, or if you want, you can write it yourself according to your practice and expertise. After this, fill in the doctor name, title, and doctor bio fields. In the doctor bio, you can mention your experience, special focus areas, treatment philosophy, and patient care approach. If you wish, you can also use Cureica AI to generate a professional bio and then customize it as per your needs. Next step is to upload a professional image of the doctor. Make sure the photo is clear, well lit, and professional. Preferably use a clinic environment or a neutral background. After uploading the image, we fill in the doctor details. Important point, all these fields come pre-filled initially, so you get an idea of how to fill them. For example, qualification section, sample values like BHMS, MD might appear. If you want to add your real qualifications, you can easily modify them. Along with each detail, you can also select your preferred icons. By clicking the icon button at the right corner of the icon field, you can choose a suitable icon based on your specialization or qualification. This will make your website even more visually appealing. After filling all the doctor details, we will fill the doctor statistics section. Here you can mention your experience in years, number of treated patients, success rate, or consultation count. These numbers build trust, so keep them realistic and authentic. As you can see, the doctor profile section is now successfully complete. Now we move on to the services section. In the services section, first write a strong section title and description that represents your clinic's overall services. This section tells patients exactly what treatments and facilities you offer. After that, you can showcase your clinic's best and most in-demand services here. In each service item, you can choose a service title, service description, and a suitable icon. Selecting icons makes the website layout even more structured and professional. If you have difficulty writing the descriptions, you can use Cureica AI's help to generate well-structured and patient-friendly service descriptions. After the services section is complete, we move on to the clinic details section. As soon as you enter this section, first upload an official image of the clinic. Image should reflect your clinic's environment, cleanliness, and professionalism clearly. Preferably, upload a wide-angle or well-framed image so that the entire clinic is showcased in a single photo. After that, in the clinic information section, write a section title and description that serves as a short but powerful introduction to your clinic. Then enter your clinic name and clinic description. These fields represent your clinic's digital identity, so fill them carefully and thoughtfully. Next, we need to fill in the clinic features. Keep in mind, the first feature should always be your clinic's location or address. The second feature should be clinic timings. It is recommended not to change these two features as they are the most important information for patients. If you only provide online consultations, you can mention online consultation only in the feature title and description. The third and fourth features can be modified according to your convenience, such as parking facility, emergency support, insurance acceptance, or digital reports availability. As you can see, the clinic details section has also been successfully completed. Now let us move forward to the next section, which is the testimonials section. As soon as you enter this section, the first step is to write a suitable section title and section description. The title and description should clearly reflect patient trust, satisfaction, and positive experiences. This section plays a very important role in building credibility for your clinic. You may take the help of Cureica AI to generate a professional, impactful, and trust-building heading. However, please listen carefully to this very important instruction. We strongly recommend that you add only the best 3 real and authentic testimonials from your Google Reviews page. Kindly avoid using Cureica AI or any other AI tool to generate fake testimonials. Authenticity is extremely important. Real reviews build long-term trust and strengthen your digital reputation. Remember, credibility cannot be built on artificial feedback. In the footer of this section, you will also find the option to add the direct link to your Google Reviews page. Once you add this link, your patients will be able to click on it and write reviews for you directly. So once again, we highly recommend that you fill the testimonial section with only genuine and verified feedback. Now let's move ahead to the next section, the gallery section. Just like before, start by writing a suitable section title and description that properly represents your clinic's gallery and environment. The gallery section showcases the visual identity of your clinic. It gives visitors a clear sense of your clinic's infrastructure, ambience, and professionalism. That is why this section should be visually strong and very appealing. Here you can upload up to 4 clinic images. These images will be displayed beautifully and in a structured way on your live page. Along with each image, you also have the option to add an image title and a short description, which will explain what the image represents. Please ensure that all images are high quality, clear, and properly enhanced, so that your website looks premium and world-class. Avoid using low-quality, dark, or blurry images, as they can negatively impact your website's credibility and overall impression. Once you've uploaded all the images and added their titles and descriptions, we move on to the next section, the FAQ section. FAQ stands for Frequently Asked Questions. In this section, you can add up to 6 common questions and their answers based on frequent patient queries related to your clinic and services. This section is extremely helpful because it reduces patient confusion and provides quick clarity before they consult. If you need help writing the questions and answers, you can use Cureica AI to generate structured, clear, and patient-friendly responses. Once the FAQ section is completed, we will move on to the next part and give our website its final professional finishing touch. Now let's move forward to the next section, which is the footer section. The footer section is the foundation of your website, and it consists of a total of 4 subsections. Let's understand them step by step. First subsection. In this section, you need to write a title and a description. This is a short introduction that appears at the bottom of your website. Here you can mention your clinic's mission, core values, or a short branding statement. Make sure the content is simple, professional, and trust-building. Second subsection, social media links. Here you can add links to your clinic's social media profiles, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. By adding these links, visitors can directly access your social media pages, which helps strengthen your online presence and credibility. Third subsection, other links. In this section, you need to add 2 important URLs. Adding both of these URLs is very important. Once you add the Google Reviews link, a Google Reviews button will automatically appear in the testimonial section. And when you add the Google Maps URL, a Maps button will appear below your clinic address. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you fill in both of these URLs so that patients can easily locate your clinic and also leave reviews conveniently. Fourth subsection, contact information. This is the most important part of the footer section. There are 2 main fields here, phone number, email address. In the phone number field, you must enter your clinic-linked official WhatsApp number. Whenever a patient books a consultation through your website, you will receive the notification on this WhatsApp number. In the email field, add your official clinic email address. Remember, the footer section is the backbone of your entire website, so fill it carefully with accurate and correct information. Once the footer section is completed, we move to the next section, the AI chat section. Now let's understand this carefully. In this section, you will customize and train your AI-enabled chatbot yourself. It has 2 main parts. 1, AI chat configuration. Here, first, you can set the chat button icon, which will appear in the bottom right corner of your website. Next, you need to set the section title. We recommend keeping the title short and crisp. For example, if your clinic name is Cureica Homeopathy, you can write Cureica Homeo AI. After that, write a short section description. Keep this brief and clear as well. 2, set first 10 AI questions. This is the most powerful part of the AI chat section. Here, you will train your personalized AI chatbot by adding the first 10 important questions and their answers. These are the same questions that will appear as quick questions when the AI chat opens on your website, so design them very carefully. Think about this. If you are not physically present in the clinic, can these 10 questions and answers represent your clinic properly? With this mindset, write clear, professional, and patient-friendly answers. After completing the AI section, we move to the next part, the Other Info section. In this section, you do not need to fill anything manually. It simply contains 3 informational fields. First, you will see your subscription details. Second, you will see your website URLs. Under website URLs, there are 2 links. The first URL is your website's official main URL, which you can share anywhere. The second URL is specifically designed for your Instagram bio. Due to encoding issues, sometimes the first URL does not work properly in Instagram bio. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you use the second URL for your Instagram bio. And as you can see, we have now successfully completed all sections. Now, let's move ahead and give our professional website its final finishing touch.
As you already know, we have successfully completed all the sections. Now it's time to save all the changes. So let's click on the Save All Changes button and view our professional website live. Now, once again, click on the View Page button and take a look at the final appearance of our website. As you can see, our professional website is now completely ready. Every section looks premium, clean, and professionally structured. So now let's go through all the components of the website in detail. At the top, we have the header section. Here, you will notice 2 important icons. The first icon is the QR code. As soon as you click on it, your website's QR code appears on the screen. You can use this QR code on your prescription pad, visiting cards, clinic posters, or digital materials so that it becomes easier for patients to visit your website and book consultations quickly. The second icon is the Book Consultation icon. When you click on it, a consultation form opens. Patients can fill in their details there and connect with you directly via WhatsApp. Now let's scroll down a little further. In the bottom right corner, you will see a floating icon. This is your personalized AI chatbot. In your absence, this chatbot will answer your patient's queries exactly the way you trained it from the dashboard with the 10 important questions and answers. And as you can see, it is responding efficiently and professionally. Now, before moving forward, let's make a small change and test the website again. Let's try changing the theme. For that, go to the dashboard, open the theme section, select your preferred theme, then click on the Save All Changes button, and return to the website and refresh the page. As soon as the page reloads, you can see that the website theme has successfully changed. Now, slowly scroll down and observe the entire website. Here, you can see the View on Google Maps button. By clicking on it, patients can directly open your clinic's exact location in their phone's Google Maps app and easily reach your clinic. As we move further, you can also see the Write a Google Review button. From here, patients can read your previous reviews and also write their own review. And then comes your clinic's beautiful gallery section, which showcases the professional identity of your clinic. So as you have seen, with the help of the dashboard, we have created a complete professional, world-class website in just a few minutes. In the same way, you too can create a premium digital presence for your clinic. The video explaining how to sign up and create an account is already available on our channel. So, we sincerely thank you for your continued support and patience, and warmly welcome you to the digital network of curated doctors at Cureica Clinics.